So I want everyone here to imagine a stream with pristine blue waters and luscious green vegetation with wildlife everywhere. Now, replace that with the blue water with brown water, dirty brown water, no vegetation, and lifeless and death everywhere. Well, that was the state of Strubles Creek before the restoration efforts, which is what I'm going to talk about today. So to introduce the Strubles Creek, the watershed itself is located in Montgomery County in Virginia, which also includes Blacksburg, Virginia. The watershed itself is about 58 square kilometers long, and it's a tributary to the New River, which means it empties into the New River. And so the land use of the watershed, 40% of it is just forest land. 29% of it is used for agriculture, pasture lands, farmlands, and 19% of it is used for urban uses, residential and otherwise, and 12% is used for other miscellaneous uses. And what I'm focusing on today is the urban uses, which cause many problems with Strubles Creek, mainly erosion, which leads to sedimentation, so you get brown, dirty water like as seen in the picture. And another problem was chemical deposition. Apparently in 1970, the chemistry department used to dump their chemicals into the duck pond, which caused, well, first it killed a lot of microorganisms, and as well it caused a lot of bacteria to develop weird mutations, and some of them can like degrade antifreeze and weird chemicals like that. And the last problem is the bacteria concentration. There was a study done along Strubles Creek where they measured bacteria concentration, and they found that in most of the sites in Strubles Creek, a lot of the sites had high concentration of E. coli, which is, if no one here is a microbiologist, an indicator of fecal matter in your water. And you don't really want fecal matter in your water. And so the biological system engineering department did a project to restore Strubles Creek. So first they reconstructed and revegetated the stream, so they basically rebuilt the whole thing so that there will be a reduction in erosion and there will be more vegetation around to prevent further erosion. And they also educated people to like not dump chemicals into the waters, not to get rid of all their vegetation around the streams to prevent future erosion. And so after all these restoration efforts, you get Strubles Creek to look like this again. You have your pristine blue waters again and your luscious green vegetation and all the wildlife that you may or may not be able to see. Thank you.